Body found in abandoned building in St. Catherine. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police are probing the circumstances surrounding the death of an unidentified man whose body was found in an abandoned building in Above Rock, St. Catherine on Saturday. Reports are that at around 3:44 a.m., citizens saw the body lying in the building and summoned the police. On their arrival, officers observed that the body was lying on its back in a pool of blood with what appears to be gunshot wounds. The scene was processed and the body removed to the morgue pending postmortem examination. The investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.